We're going to eliminate the x terms by distributing -3 to the first equation and +4 to the second. And that's going to give us negative 12x minus 15y is equal to negative 21. And then we're going to distribute 4. And that gives us 12x minus 8y is equal to 136. Now, the x terms eliminate, leaving us with negative 23y is equal to 115. Solving for y, that ends up giving us a value that is equal to negative 5. Now we're going to substitute negative 5 into one of our first equations. 4x plus 5 times negative 5 equals 7 and solve for x. So we get 4x minus 25 equals 7. Move the minus 25 to the other side, and that gives us 4x is equal to 32. Divide both sides by 4. That ends up giving us an x value of 8. So the solution to this system is x equals 8 and y is negative 5.